Okay guys, good morning. Today we're doing something different. We're gonna go ahead and explore Thessaloniki's street food festival. Thessaloniki is my city, so yeah, there is this thing happening every year with street foods from across the world. So I'm pretty close to there now. It's there. So we're going. Come along with me.
All my friends said I should get a more smile and not at all of the small talk, but keep looking for the door.
First things first, we're gonna go grab a beer.
Then cut to you, cross the room in your vintage Levi's.
Very sunny day outside. It smells really good. It looks like there are a lot of options. We're gonna investigate what you can eat as a vegetarian, pescatarian, or vegan. It's too hot though. Thought it was gonna rain. I'll actually have to throw that out. Pasta lover, that sounds like something I would love. Wild boar sandwich. We're not doing that. I do think that not everything is open yet because we are here a little early. Look at my watch. Oh, this is so cool. No, you can bring 10 glasses. 10 glasses and they give you a beer for free.
What do I do with this view?
Now, knowing me, I would love some.
Hold up, is this a meet cute? Oh my god, that great joke. I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels like the start of the rest of the night. The lights and cues.
I did say that I'm Greek. You look Greek? Time for beer number 2.
Starts picking at base. Then cut to me, and I see our whole life together. But don't blame me, just a dream.
Oh, let's go there.
Oh my god, that great Joe McAdams in the notebook. I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing, just a Friday night, but it feels
They were also filming us for the event, so maybe we get famous that way. Okay guys, we ordered some shrimp now, but unfortunately, can you see me? So yeah, hopefully you can see me. Unfortunately, I dropped all my beer in my bag. Yeah, always clumsy. We get some shrimp, not taco,
Panko shrimp.
Panko shrimp and sauce. It is pretty hot. It is. Whew. My prayers have been heard. It's not sunny anymore. Panko, like pan. I'll get a fry first.
Okay.
Or down. It's good. Jealous of these kids there. They actually broke apart these seating areas and they're now playing with it. Great. Oh god. So you know how I threw my cup in the trash can? Well, actually, I didn't know. You're supposed to put it in here. Or take 10 of them for free beer, remember? But it's too late for that now. You want ice cream? No ice cream. No ice cream. Thank you.
Hold up, is this a meet cute?
Here, this is wait, the way to go. Good thing COVID is kind of over. Guys, this is like, it's so big. We accidentally made us 2 turns of 10. This is only €5. Well, they were cool with it. And you two come back.
Oh, this is absolutely a meet cute. Oh my god, like Rachel McAdams in the notebook. 'Cause I keep on staring and the whole world stops. Theme song is playing. Just a Friday night, but it feels like the start.
These are so fresh. They're actually called chimney cones. And they are, I think, from Germany. Or maybe not. They did have them in Budapest for sure. And it's so fresh, so tasty. Would recommend. Now, it does become a little difficult when you're close to the end. But I guess that's what the cups are for. It was great. I was gonna say something, but I can't really. So, it did start drizzling, and we're heading out for the time. We can get back in with this. We heard about another little festival that's going on. It's a thrift festival. I don't know if we're gonna attend that. It's a little far away. But yeah, it's been great so far. We can get back in with the thing however many times we want. I think today. But yeah. A wrap. Peace. Okay guys, so we did come back. We got a little bit of shopping and I thought it was a good idea to come back for a little bit of drink for like some dessert. It definitely looks way more crowded now. And soon some live music is gonna start. So yeah, you should definitely try it. It's an annual thing, so it happens every year during summertime. I'll be happy to show you around. JK, I'm not showing you around, but anyway, peace.
The Belgium chocolate.
People should recycle more. This is what I chose. It's supposed to be really fancy Greek ice cream from sugar canes. Okay, smell test. Can you hint you? Kids are playing soccer. Which is amazing. Oh, we like street food festival. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe and like.